Hey babes, welcome back to Love Milani. It is your girl, the girly, Anastasia Milani, and we are here, y'all. Y'all see what time it is. It is Vlogtober. I'm so excited, y'all. I have it all planned out. I'm super excited, you guys. So let's get into the vlogging, okay? Let's get into vlogging. And I'm currently, per usual, trying to hurry up, get myself together, you guys. I'm going to the movies with my little brother. I'm dragging him to the movies because honestly, we really need to just start doing more. We really need to just start doing more things together. And I just thought Vlogtober would be a perfect time for me to get outside and drag him along with me. So we're going to the movies to go see Speak No Evil. There really wasn't many options out. Honestly, the movie theater it wasn't giving. They had the Beetlejuice movie out, but I wasn't really interested in seeing that. And then I'm the type of person, if there's nothing like that I really like want to see, I'm gonna get on TikTok and I'm gonna listen to the reviews and see what y'all talking about. So Beetlejuice was getting like reviews about it being slow, and this is Beetlejuice 2, about it being slow and then like picking up at the end. I don't know, just some stuff that I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep. So not about to see that. Hang up on you. And then I seen see, yo, I ain't got no lace spray, and so like I've been trying to like stick my wigs down with a hope and a prayer, literally like a little bit of spritz, and it's not working. It's not, and it's hot, so you know it's like lifting. But y'all, this is just like a little throwaway synthetic wig that I've been having for some time now. Ooh, I should have combed this out before I tried to stick it down, because now it's really lifting and moving. It's shifting. But yeah, I decided to throw this wig on because I want to do like a updo style, and this wig has like the perfect like big deep curls to where I can like get the bang and all that I want. I don't know exactly how I want to do it, but I just knew I wanted to do like something half up, half down, something like that. Yeah, I love having like dressed up hair, especially like the 90s hairdos, like real cute and real put together, and then have like a casual outfit. Like, it's given. Y'all don't mind that mess back there. The room is under construction, okay? Y'all will see over these Vlogtobers me getting the room together, and just, we'll get into that later. My mind is so, oh, hold on. Oh, child. It looks like I'm sometimes I gotta just tell myself to calm down, sit down. I literally have the personality of like squirrel in the midst of talking. Like, that's me. And you gotta just tell yourself, calm down, baby. Calm down. But yeah, I was initially saying that we were going to go see Speak No Evil. I guess it's like a remake to a foreign horror movie, and people were giving it good reviews, so we're gonna go see that. My brother is not a scary movie, horror movie type of person, but we going. So it is like 7:40 right now. The movie starts at 9. I wanted to leave early because I want to get some content in. We want to get some food. We haven't ate. Get some snacks. They have like a little bar there. Get me a drink. You know, like I want to be comfortable. So we're trying to leave here by 8. It's 7:40. So let me get off of here, finish doing my little hair situation. Look at this. See? That's why I don't be liking that type of setting. I need to stop putting it right there. Okay. But yeah, I need to finish getting ready. So let me do that, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. So I don't know what happened. We did not make it to the damn movies at all whatsoever. We are at Dave and Buster's. I don't know, just felt like doing something, I guess. But yeah, we're about to go in here for a minute, have a drink at this point, and Ketchup? Oh, that's what I got. I got some $5 bites. Me and my little brother having a little drinky drink. What did you get, Dooney?
Famous Cowboys. Backwoods, blueberry.
Cheers. I got a Hennessy strawberry Nirvana. We're waiting for we're supposed to get little appetizers. He's ordered a meal. Cause I thought you got burgers and wings. This is sweet, y'all.
Even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it?
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will I rock with my rebel yell underneath? You wanna step to me? Said you got a long way to go.
Y'all, my nose was leaking last night. I was trying to call this boy. Do you think he answered? No. Left me for dead. But
I was in the game of college football.
excuses on why I was left on the side of the road.
It was serious.
It was serious. My nose was a faucet. Who? Trying to see what you outside. She trying to see if you outside, boy. Maybe she outside. She trying to see you trying to come outside. Bitch, we outside tonight. Man, we outside. When did I break a nail? When did I? Y'all. What? That's why I'm not going to that lady no more. That's exactly why I'm not going to her no more. Because we have ended up at Jack in the Box. We ended up at Jack in the Box because, as you can see, the food that we had at Dave & Buster's, first of all, my food wasn't even good. Let's start there. But it was only $5 each, so it was what it was. He tore up his sliders. I guess they were delicious. But you know, we still got like a little piece of hunger, so we had Jack in the Box. He really just wanted a witch shake. What flavor is a witch shake?
It's bad cookies.
Oh, that sounds like a stomach problems. But yeah, he just wanted that. That's why we're really here. And then I just got 2 tacos because why not? But now we about to head home, y'all. Today was a bust. It did not go how it was supposed to go. We were supposed to go to, y'all already know, we were supposed to do other stuff. But it's okay, because we still got outside. We still hung out. And
Keep weaponry in your car.
what? He got me around where this area is heavy on the suspicious characters. And he think his weapon of choice is this one Martinelli glass bottle. That's gonna save us. Like he on
somebody in.
Okay, y'all. So got my tacos, taco sauce, and oh my gosh, he got a 20 piece. Just kidding, 10 piece. Churros. Y'all don't mind this mess. This is like an impromptu video recording I'm doing. The video clip that was supposed to be right here, y'all, some way, somehow it freaking got damaged or something to where it won't download, it won't do anything. I spent like an hour like trying to get it to work and it just won't work, and I had to just give up. I'm over it. Like, I'm not even about to let this ruin me. So I'm sorry that this day one Vlogtober was a little weird, a little off, all over the place. But be sure that I have so much planned, and you know, we got 31 days of this, so don't even trip. This one was just, it was just, you know, it's real life. Vlogging every day, things happen, especially when you're not like a daily vlogger, or just even a person who vlogs all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys though are enjoying the bits and parts that you did get to see. Day 2 will be a full day. So I just want to hop in here and say thank you guys for watching so far. After this, I'm going to show a couple of clips. I want to get something to eat, but nothing fancy. So again, thank you guys for tapping in, watching my videos, tuning in for Vlogtober. Make sure to hit that post notification bell so you can know every time I do upload. This one is going out kind of late, but I'm excited, y'all. I have a lot planned. As you've seen, going to the movies did not work out. We were so late. So we just X'd out that plan. What I was speaking about that I didn't get to go into details is that, y'all, my notes, I had a whole like emergency, but not emergency situation to where I was like half sleep and I wasn't gonna wash my face, y'all, because I was so sleepy. Like I had dozed off. And so I had to use the bathroom. So, you know, of course it wake your game up. You got to go in the restroom. So while I'm in there, I'm like, I might as well just wash my face. But at this point, I'm trying to hurry up because I'm so freaking tired. I'm washing my face all vigorously and hard and like fast, should I say. So as I'm washing my face, right, doing a little thug thizzle, my pinky already ain't that big, but this nail is long, went up my nose, pop. And when it went up my nose, I heard something pop. Like it sounded like something broke or like popped. You know what I mean? Like right when it hit, I pulled, like, you know what I mean. But yeah, something had popped. So right when it popped, y'all, I just felt like, I've never had a nosebleed before. I just felt like a warm sensation already like starting. Like before even I could see the blood, I felt it. I felt like the warmness. And my nose was gushing, leaking. Okay, this was like 2 o'clock in the morning. My nose was gushing, leaking. Like to me, I thought it wasn't gonna stop. I had to like Google what happens. Is this like a blood vessel tumor? I don't know. I even called the advice nurse, y'all. I was not playing because I was scared to like lay back down. I was supposed to be going right back to bed. I was scared to even lay back down, y'all, because what is this blood going, like what is going on? But the advice nurse, by the time I got on the phone with her, probably like 10 minutes went by and my nose had stopped like gushing, and it was still bleeding, but it wasn't gushing. So she was saying like I should be okay. But I was nervous, and that just like again told me I need to slow down. Like you need to slow down. There's no rush. Nothing really to me good happens when you rush. So what's the point in doing it? Take your time. If you didn't want to wash your face, then you just shouldn't have washed your face. You know what I mean? I don't know. It just was like a reality check. I feel like God be like doing little things all the time just to like snap you back into place. Because I feel like I've been doing so good with like my patience and like taking my time and being calm that, you know, sometimes shit happen where you tired. You're tired, so you rush through things and you do stuff like that. But that was a reality check. Definitely, I'm definitely more mindful going forward with washing my face. I've had nails for, I'm about to say decades, but pretty much, and that's never happened. So first time for everything, I guess. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'll let y'all get back to the next couple clips. Let me go and get some food, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow bright and early. Love y'all. Bye.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off, somehow she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying.
Got me a little freezy. I'm just kind of craving one. I don't know. But we about to go to, look at my hair. Look at my hair. We about to go to Jamba. It stank. What is going on? We about to go to Jamba Juice, so y'all, in Chick-fil-A, because I haven't ate.
All it takes is one time for a pill to go wrong.
We made it to Panda. Well, actually, I think I told y'all we was going to Chick-fil-A, but he wanted to go to Panda anyway too. So, and then I was like, can we go to Trader Joe's? Because it's over here. He's sick of me, y'all. Huh? What's going on? Like, because I'm about to get an acai bowl. I've been craving one of those. So, you know, those are pretty filling. So, honestly, I was just going to get like some string bean chicken breast by itself. And maybe an egg roll. Oh, not me trying to cut. But, yeah. I think that's what I'm going to get. I kind of want an egg roll, too. It's giving big back, but I have not ate. What would be big bag if I got me a plate and got a bowl? That would be giving big. Girl back. Yeah. What you getting, Diddy? What, orange chicken and sweet fire chicken?
With the red sauce, don't forget that.
Just put spice on the outside of everything. Y'all, my food not ready. They gotta make it. Any food, they gotta make it. So they give us free kid cups, I guess, for the inconvenience. Whatever. Thank you. Thank you. Take anything free.
To make the best soda mix, Marine Prayer. Yes, I got the best soda mix. Get you some, right? That's one of my mixes. Get you a Fanta and mix it with
They probably can't even hear you. I'll show y'all what he's talking about.
Fanta and Sprite.
Yeah, we made it to Mother Chuckin' Jamba Juice. You know, big back activities when you gotta hit up multiple. It is nice out here. People outside eating and stuff. It is nice. Bowl, try her bowl. Color, y'all. It's pretty. We got the goods. We got.